Melody, a remarkable woman with a wealth of experience and wisdom, graciously shares her invaluable insights on the art of organic growth on Instagram. As a seasoned individual over the age of 50, Melody's perspective is rooted in a deep understanding of the platform and a keen awareness of the nuances required to succeed in the digital landscape. One of the fundamental principles Melody advocates for is the cultivation of authentic relationships with your audience. She believes that genuine engagement and meaningful interactions are the cornerstone of building a loyal following on Instagram. By connecting with your followers on a personal level, sharing stories that resonate with them, and responding to comments and messages, you can create a sense of community and trust that encourages organic growth. Storytelling is another key element in Melody's strategy for Instagram success. She emphasizes the power of narrative in capturing the attention and interest of your audience. By crafting compelling stories that highlight your brand's values, mission, and personality, you can create a deeper connection with your followers and differentiate yourself in a crowded digital space. In addition to storytelling, Melody underscores the importance of leveraging Instagram's diverse features to diversify your content and engage with your audience in different ways. From the ephemeral nature of stories to the creative possibilities of Reels and the long-form content of IGTV, each feature offers unique opportunities to showcase your brand and connect with your followers on a more profound level. Networking plays a pivotal role in Melody's approach to organic growth on Instagram. She encourages reaching out to other influencers, brands, and industry peers to collaborate on projects, share insights, and cross-promote each other's content.